So guys, basically I worked on this timer for 1 hour straight to create this, right? And I was recording it and I accidentally clicked this button right here, delete button, and wiped out whole fucking hour video. So quick recap here. Basically I was creating the timer for my app. So where is it? It's here. So it's 2-minute timer, and you can decrement it by 50 seconds and increment it by 50 seconds if 2 minutes is too much for you or whatever. So now I like this one. It's 0 here, right? So I'm gonna add that. But basically, first of all, here's our reducer function. Second of all, here's our use effect, and here's this converts milliseconds to actual human time, basically. And use effect updates it every 1 second. This state, countdown state here. But there was a problem, right? I had these like state countdown dependency for use effect. So every time I would click one of these, this one will go crazy. Like this one will speed up like 5-6 times because it was re-rendering already re-rendered state, use effect, sorry. So what I did, I created this dummy state, right? And I put this here, and it's just incrementing by 1. And with that, this one also, with that, the problem was solved. And also, if state countdown is less than 0, basically, this gonna stop, okay? These states won't update again, so this use effect will just stop. So that was basically that 1 hour work right here. So now what I want to do is actually take this and remove this also. I don't need this here. This one was for testing purposes here. And what I noticed that these seconds, if seconds is more than what? If seconds is more than no, if seconds is less than 9, we're gonna return 0. Where the fuck? Okay, 0 plus seconds. Otherwise, we just return seconds. Let's see if this works. Yep, this works. So we fix that. So now let's move this out of the way. I had this here for testing purposes, so we don't want it here anymore, and we want to take these. Where exactly? War room or pages? Full of running squad, state squad, full of history archer. So we don't have, we actually don't have pull up page here, push up page, because push up page is this. Yep. So this gonna need to be refactored actually. So is this gonna work? I don't know. This should not work. Wait, import timer from. Yep. We need timer here. We can put this here. And I'm gonna create a state or reducer. Let's put it here for a moment, and let's style it actually. Oh, what the fuck? Did this? This is not fucking mapped. Oh, this is actually a fucking function, and I'm returning here. Oh, I'm fucking dummy. This is a real. This should be in a separate file, and I'm gonna refactor it. Okay, this workroom will no longer be like this. I'm gonna move this in a separate page here in pages, and I'm gonna import everything into a workroom. Sorry, not a war room. Nice, we have this here. So let's do this timer. Let's create styling for this timer. Commenting milliseconds. Okay, this one should be here, and from styles. First of all, let's do this like timer div. This equals to this, and this equals to timer styles timer div. Next stuff is going to be, this is going to be z index 30, and it's gonna be absolute, position absolute, and it's gonna be, width is gonna be 300 pixels, height is gonna be 200 pixels for now, at least. So this should not affect anything, because we need to update headers as well. Header style, just header. Text, let's go with 5 rem for now. You know what, we can actually do this here. And it's working. So, and let's make this div main div, right? Styles, where are the styles? Main div, and it's gonna be 100% width is gonna be 100%, and we're gonna do flex and items center and justify center, and we're gonna put this here, class name equals styles main div. Okay, nice, this one is centered. Yep, this is not quite centered because we don't have height here. Height should be also 100. Do you hear me now, bro? Now, you know, this place is fine too, like. So. Let's see, like this, PG, how it's in a Tailwind says, transparent background. We don't need RPG, we need IPGA. Transparent background. We don't want background opacity. We need straight up transparent background. Oh, PG opacity. Okay, let's see. Let's choose this first. And let's PG going to be gray. 300. Okay, so this is why it's not centered, because let's put this into a viewer height and viewer width, because it takes its parents fucking, and this should be absolute actually. Okay, this is fucked. This is all fucked. So let's remove all of this crap. Or you know what? Just leave this here and workroom. Can we move this up? We can just. No, this is gonna fuck up all our entire app. So no, we can't do that actually. But what we can do is we can put this inside here. Inside this div. No, this is a button div. Prefsets. Oh, we don't need prefsets. Did we fucked up prefsets here? Oh, then we can put this here. Fucking retarded. Yep, this is what we want. This is what we want. And we do background opacity here. I don't need GitHub. Background opacity. Okay. We can make this smaller. I don't need this to be this big. So we can make these not 100 pixels, too small. 400 pixels to 400 pixels. Let's see. No, now it's fucked. You know what? Let's this be 100 everything, but border is gonna be 50%. Border. Oh no, not border. Rounded. Okay, this is not gonna work. can we like make this 80% width? Can we make these 50? Okay, this, and can we make these 80? Now it's going up. We need this to be centered, so this one should be 140 always, and this 40. Let's see. Okay, and let's put rounded back to 50. Wait, no, these buttons don't work. What the fuck is this? You know, I think like this one was best. This is the best. You know, it's fine. It's fine. It's whatever. Text 6, 5. Okay, now this doesn't work. Okay. Can anyone tell me why the fuck? Why the fuck this shit doesn't work? This shit right here. This one has on click. And it worked just fine a minute ago. But it's no longer working. I wonder why. Because this is a z-index. I don't know what z-index has to do with anything, really. Let's remove this too. But it gotta be a fucking styling problem. Yep, it was styling problem, bro. That's crazy. So we can make these. Let's see how it looks here. It's terrible here, but you know, I'm gonna fix this when we go to that far. So now my main concern is not styling anymore, but putting this here. And we also need skip button. Yep. So let me think for a minute. Okay, I'm back. Now we're gonna create things here. So what I was thinking about, if this state here, let's create here, if this state is less than 0, less or equal to 0, we are going to return the hidden, and otherwise we're gonna return this. Now let's see. So it's working. Yep, it's working. So now next step is to link this button to the timer, but first let's remove these for a second. Let's remove these for a second. So we can style this actually. So we can style this properly. So what we need here are React icons for plus. So this one looks nice. This is going to be increment. What do you think, guys? Okay, I'm choosing this one. And we also need minus. And go here and import this from React icons AI, and we also need minus from AI. Yeah, this is the same crap. So how can we tell our client that it's a 50-second increase? 50-second. You know what? We don't even need this. We can just say plus 50 seconds. No, this is not gonna work. We can use this icon, okay? Again, plus 50 minus 50. This one here. Okay, this one kind of looks good, but now we need to, this is a main div, and in main div we have this and this shit, and we actually need to combine this into a one div. So we're actually going to move this div here. We're gonna put this here, and we're gonna put this here like this. And what we're gonna do here is main div. We have main div. We're gonna do flex row, the flex row is already low, so calls, it's calls or call, it's a flex call, I think. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I'm a total idiot, bro. This one should be left alone. We need timer div here. This is the main point. Flex row, instead of flex row, we're gonna do flex call. Let's see. Okay, now This is also retarded. So we can just add another div here, and we're gonna name this class name timer wrapper styles timer wrapper. We're gonna take this and wrapper, right? And this is gonna be another div for buttons. Class name styles btn wrapper. This is gonna be btn wrapper. So first we want this flex call. Okay, now next step is nice, and now in the this wrapper